history, and English. So many low income students oftentimes struggle to find resources in SAT prep books, and a lot of prep courses can be very expensive. So our project primarily
sections. So you have like a reading and a writing section. So like by default, it's on writing, but you can also go to reading. Now, one thing that actually is very common with SAT practice tests is that they are in a PDF format, like somewhere in the internet. So many times you can't really copy and paste that, which is why we actually thought of creating an API that can I'm not creating an API, but using an API, like a free API that can read PDFs. So we all the user has to do is just input this into the text box, and they just press get data, and then they just so much after some loading, all the data just appears here, and then they can just cut and paste like the exact portions that they need. I mean, for this purpose, I'll just be having the context right here, so like it just simplifies everything. So yeah, and also like one nice thing about this product is that like it's very, it's almost like a walkthrough of showing the user like everything that they need to do. So here, like it's saying, okay, input the passage here. Okay, I'm not inputting the entire passage. I'm just inputting like a small section. And then I'm saying enter the word that needs to be like replaced. So this is like some kind of like some like customized. Go to my example. So saturated, which was the word. I just put that, and then I entered the rest of the choices. So like right here, and actually like this even has like these placeholders, so it's even more clear to the user and more accessible, like for them. And um and I also have these two options. So we actually have created these two different prompts that each have like their own very good use case. So one of this is trying to replace a word in like existing context. And then another one is if there's like a grammatical error that we have to try and find, like then it would just be performing better in that case. So in this for this example, I'll choose the first one and I press submit the model, other version 2, and actually, oh yeah. So and it's actually giving a choice B, which is the best answer for this.